Hi guys, it's me, and today we're exploring a piece of tech that is transforming how we interact with content in classrooms, offices, and creative spaces. This is the 43-inch interactive touchscreen monitor, a smartboard designed for 16:9 full HD display, powered by Android 14, with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. And if you want to buy this 43-inch interactive touchscreen monitor, the link is in the description below. The first thing that stands out is the sleek, modern design. Unlike traditional whiteboards or clunky monitors, this display looks minimalistic and professional. Its 43-inch screen is perfect for medium-sized rooms. It's large enough to display content clearly for multiple viewers, but compact enough to fit on walls or portable stands without taking over the room. The 1080p resolution ensures crisp, vibrant visuals for presentations, videos, documents, and interactive lessons. The real highlight here is the touchscreen functionality. Unlike older touch displays that lag or feel unresponsive, this monitor offers smooth, precise touch input. Writing, drawing, annotating, and navigating apps feels natural and fast. Whether you're sketching ideas in a meeting, highlighting key points during a lesson, or collaborating on digital documents, the interaction is seamless. Multi-touch capability allows multiple people to engage with the screen simultaneously, making group activities easier and more dynamic. Running Android 14, this smartboard offers a familiar interface and access to a wide range of apps. Productivity tools, educational software, browsers, streaming platforms, and cloud services all run smoothly on this system. With 4 GB of RAM, multitasking is efficient and responsive, and the 32 GB storage provides enough space for apps, files, and documents without relying solely on external drives. Everything from opening apps to switching between tasks feels fluid, creating a modern, all-in-one experience for work or learning environments. In classrooms, this display changes the way teachers and students interact. Traditional markers and projectors are replaced with an intuitive, interactive panel. Teachers can write, highlight, erase, and save notes digitally. Lessons become more engaging, and students benefit from a hands-on learning experience. For offices, this monitor improves collaboration during meetings and presentations. Teams can annotate spreadsheets, review presentations, brainstorm together, and instantly save or share results. Screen mirroring and multiple connectivity options such as HDMI, USB, and Type-C enhance compatibility with laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The viewing angles and display quality are excellent. Everyone in the room can see the content clearly without distortion or glare. Touch input remains accurate across the screen, even when multiple users interact at once. Whether it's brainstorming sessions, teaching activities, or multimedia presentations, this interactive monitor provides a reliable and versatile platform for productivity. Setup is straightforward. You can wall mount it for a permanent installation or pair it with a portable stand for flexible use. The hardware is built to handle daily, intensive usage. Frequent interaction, touch input, and extended hours of operation are all supported without performance degradation. The display maintains consistent brightness, color accuracy, and touch responsiveness over time, making it a long-term solution for educational and professional settings. The interface is intuitive, eliminating the steep learning curve often associated with smartboards. Power it on, open apps, annotate, type, browse the web, or run video meetings immediately. No complicated installations, no lag, and no frequent calibrations required. It combines the simplicity of a tablet with the power and scale of a professional presentation display. Overall, this 43-inch interactive touchscreen monitor is an impressive tool for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace or classroom. It enhances productivity, fosters collaboration, and makes presentations, lessons, and brainstorming sessions more engaging. With Android 14, responsive touch, and versatile connectivity, it delivers both performance and convenience in one package. And if you're ready to bring interactivity, efficiency, and clarity to your office or classroom, check the link in the description below to purchase this smartboard.